Hey man, today we're talking about something most of us have experienced. One day everything's great with her. She's texting first, making plans, excited to see you. Then suddenly, she's distant. Replies take longer, she's always busy, and you can feel her slipping away. The worst part? The more you try to fix it, the worse it gets. Most guys panic. They start overcompensating, texting more, asking what's wrong, but that just pushes her further away. What actually works is counterintuitive, and I'm breaking it down for you right now. 1. Pull back to move forward. Stop chasing when you feel her slipping away. Your gut reaction is to hold tighter, but that makes her feel suffocated. Give her the space she's asking for, not in a bitter way, but in a way that makes her realize what she's losing. Cut back on texting. If she takes an hour to reply, you take 3. Be less available. If she asks to hang last minute, let her. Know you've got plans. This taps into one of the strongest human instincts, the fear of loss. The moment she senses you slipping away, she'll start reassessing her feelings. 2. Disrupt her assumptions. Right now, she thinks she has you figured out. To reignite her interest, introduce a version of yourself she hasn't seen before. What would surprise her about you? If she sees you as the chill guy, show your competitive side. Join a boxing gym. If she assumes you're always available, develop a new passion that takes up your weekends. When she realizes she doesn't have you completely figured out, that mystery makes her curious again, and curiosity leads to attraction. 3. Introduce. Competition. Women don't like feeling replaceable. The moment she thinks she has all the time in the world to decide about you, her urgency fades. You need to reintroduce pressure, naturally and non-manipulatively. Get out there socially, especially with women. I'm not saying date someone to make her jealous, but having female friends or casually mentioning fun conversations with other women plants a seed. Wait, is he moving on? When she senses she's not the only one in your orbit, she'll value your attention more. 4. Make her work for your attention. When you give someone too much attention, they take it for granted. Stop being on standby for her texts. Respond when it's convenient for you. Don't drop everything when she wants to meet last minute. Show her you have priorities. Instead of always planning dates, let her take initiative sometimes. This isn't about games, it's about shifting the balance. When she realizes your attention isn't guaranteed, she'll start valuing it more. 5. The art of not needing her. The biggest mistake guys make is clinging to the outcome, stressing over texts, analyzing signs, worrying about losing her. She can feel that energy, and it pushes her away. Embrace the mindset that you'll be fine. Regardless, who's more attractive? The guy constantly seeking approval, or the one who knows his worth and doesn't need her to feel complete? That's the power of detachment. Focus on your growth and happiness. And ironically, the moment you stop worrying about losing her is when she starts chasing you. So guys, which of these points hit you hardest? Which one do you need to work on most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you've been in this situation before, I want to hear how you handled it. Let's talk about it.